Next week, I'm off again to Latin America, this time to Central America. And in particular, I'm looking forward to going to two countries that I've never been to. One is Guatemala, and the other one is Panama. In both of these places, I'm doing one of the conferences that I do a lot, which is called Leading from Your Own Story. And by leading from your own story, I mean leading by autobiography, which I've already talked about because it's what my next book is going to be about. And it all leads me back to the question of why storytelling is so powerful and why leaders lead with their stories of identity. One reason is that leaders have to build trust. And the way you build trust is by revealing yourself. We reveal ourselves through the stories of identity that we tell. In other words, for example, Jack Welch, when he told stories about he wanted to make General Electric the world's most competitive enterprise, rather than lecture his organization about competitiveness, he spent a lot of time telling stories from his own childhood. For example, he would walk around and tell people that competitiveness and winning are very important to him. And he learned this when he was a child. He learned it from his mother, who used to tell him that, Jack, you have certain physical attributes that you can't change. You'll never be the strongest kid or the fastest kid or the most powerful kid. But you can be an effective hockey player, which was very important to him. You can be an effective hockey player and be a good member of the team by being competitive and helping others around you to be more competitive. So he said, this is my vision for General Electric. We're not always going to be the best at everything we do. We're not always going to be the strongest or have the most resources, but we can be successful everywhere we go by being more competitive than other people. So he used his personal stories of identity to make a point and to get people to follow. And that is what I think is very effective. Using personal stories of identity to reveal yourself, build trust, and align your organization behind a concept.